guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So as you can see, I am wigless, so that must mean I'm doing a wig tutorial, I hope. Yes, I am doing a wig tutorial or a wig review for you guys. Today's wig is from Freetress Equal. It is a 6-inch lace part wig, and it is the wig Madani. I showed you guys this wig I think it was 2 videos ago when I was showing you some things that I got in the mail in the last couple weeks, and I'm pretty excited about it. However, I did get this in a color 2, which I normally never do because 2 is like a brown, off brown, dark brown color, and I don't really go for brown wigs, so I'm not really sure what I was thinking. Maybe I was late night shopping. Maybe I was drinking some wine. I don't know. But we'll see how this looks. I have not opened the wig yet. So let's get into the packaging. It comes in a box like this, which I actually kind of like. Usually I get my wigs, you know, they come like a little bag situation. But this is cute. I like it. It's cute. So let's go ahead and open it. It feels real luxury. Like, all right, so all this extra, let's get that off of there. Oh, get off of here. All right, so it has the wig and the card. So yes, the card says 6-inch lace part, like I told you guys, and it's curling and iron safe up to 400 degrees. So yeah, and oh, this opens, and then it gives you some hair care instructions, so you guys can read that. Pause and read. And yeah, so I just realized this does not come with the lace on the front, which I normally do not like, which means I can't like brush this back. Oh man, that kind of sucks. I really thought this, because this was it was in the lace wig section, but it like cuts it off for you. What? I have a wig like this already, not like this style, but I have a bob, and I hated it because I felt oh man, because it's like it's so bulky in here. But you know, okay, let me get the wig out. All right, so there is a comb here in the front, and then looks like, okay, yeah, there's a comb in there's a comb in the back here, there's a comb in the front on this side of the part, and then oh, no comb there, but there's a comb here on the side. So that's different. Okay. Okay. It does have adjustable straps. So yeah. And it looks like there's some type of baby hair cut into there. I'm looking at the front of the wig here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like some shorter pieces. So I guess that's meant to be baby hair, but there's no lace there. It's just a parting space. You know what? Let's go ahead and see if we can do something with this. See, I'm already hating the color, and I'm already hating the wig. Let me just put it on. All right, so part is on that side. Yeah, no, I had to put my wig grip on. Holds this bad boy in place. Can I make this look like something? Is this big head friendly? I feel like my head is suffocating. Come on, wig, get it together. Okay. I feel like my mother. Let's move this over a little bit. Let's get this comb situation. I hate that it doesn't have its own lace, because this part is just not, I mean, it's cute, it's a long part, but it's just so, I feel like it's so heavy up in here. I mean, this swoop situation is, I like that. I don't know, I really feel like my mom. Hi, Mom. Let me see if I can do some type of baby hair. Yeah, this, I'm so mad about that. But let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, let me just put some, I'm going to use the Hicks Edge Control. And I'm going to put some on these. I'm trying to slick this stuff down. Too much in there. Let's get some of that out. Okay, so yeah, it's cute. Like, the angle is cute. Can you guys see? It's a cute angle. However, to me, it's like flat in here. I would need to curl it to give it some type of lift. Because see how this is? It's like all this volume over here, and then it's just kind of like happy husband, sad husband. You get what I'm saying? Like, again, I would have liked to have some lace on it so I could, you know, do the part how I want it. Because I don't need, honestly, I don't need no damn 6-inch part. I don't need that much parting space. That's a lot. Like, why would I want my part? I don't want my part all the way back there like that. Can I comb? Let me see if I can comb some of it. Okay. So yeah, it can, not really. I mean, I can close a little bit of it, I guess. If I like try to finagle it, if you guys can see. Let's see. Cause I don't feel like I don't need that much parting space. That's a lot. I mean, if it was a full lace wig, then yeah, I want that much parting space so I can do different things with it. But if it's like a set wig, like it's already in its style, I don't need that much parting space, in my personal opinion. Ooh, are we shedding? Are we shedding? We got 2 little pieces. 2 little shedsters. Now, could I wear this and rock it and make it my own? Heck yeah. Will I? Heck yes. I spent like $20-something on this thing, I think. How much was this? Pretty sure it was under $20 if I'm not mistaken. But I got it from hairsisters.com. No, I didn't. I lied. Look at that. Boop. Stop. Pause. I did not. I got it from Divatress.com. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out if you want. I would say if you want like a cute bob wig that's already in position for you, you don't got to do no plucking. If you're not into plucking or, you know, making the wig your own or cutting lace off, this is the unit for you. It's already done for you. Just pop it on your head, give yourself a little swoopy swoop, and you out the house. You don't got to worry about all the extra stuff. So, yeah. I mean, she cute. She cute. What's on my... She cute. She cute. I do definitely feel bougie. And then he said no. Somebody bring me the remote off the dresser. Let me know if you guys buy it, what you think about it. If you already have it, let me know what you guys think. So I guess you guys are waiting for the giveaway, right? The giveaway for this week will be a $25 Visa check card. You can use it to buy this wig, or you can use it for whatever you want. Save it for Christmas. I don't know. I don't care. Your thing. But yes, that'll be week 3. So again, the giveaway details are down below. If you have not checked them out already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Ding ding. Stay up to date what's going on with this channel. Be up to date on all the videos. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I will get back to you guys. I am all here for this look. I can slay it. Stop it, Charles. Give it, Jimmy. That's how I feel like I belong on a Lifetime movie. Charles, you didn't have to do that. And this wig ain't going nowhere. Give me an Emmy. I deserve an Emmy for that. Alright guys, so as always, I love you so much. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.